Yeah, I'm going to get a 12 piece. All right, so Welderelite strip disc 12 piece. 4 flavors. 7/8 inch auger. Let's open this thing up and try these things out. So what are strip discs for? Well, if you're having trouble getting through college because mommy and daddy aren't rich, that's a different thing. All right, let's take a look at these. Purple, blue, black, green. Yeah, so we're just going to prep this bench top, actually. What I like about these is that they're good for clearing away rust and patina and paint, but they don't eat away at the metal like a flap disc would do, or a grinding disc would do. We want to leave the metal alone, but get rid of the patina. I mean, look at how quick that works. And not hot to the touch, still cool to the touch. That was fast to get this metal to be ready to be welded on if we were to do that. Yeah, it cleans it up really well. No sparks flying everywhere because we're not removing metal. We're not cutting the metal. We're just taking off the stuff on the surface. So yeah, these things are awesome. You are going to go through them because they're a softer compound, but we can keep using this one, no problem.